See you down there.
Oh, it's a video?
It's a video, but I'll take a shot. Yeah, no worries. We'll take a snapshot later. A little selfie here, guys. Come on up.
Yeah, there's another pool over there. So there's a bridge right there. So it's real cloudy.
Nice.
Hey, you tried to eat this?
That's nice. You scared?
No, I'm okay.
Falling out of line, they don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
We'll take each other's videos, guys.
Your mom has to look in the phone because she's scared.
Yeah. If I'm going like this, I wasn't scared.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now. And it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me?
Look at this Mark V GDI. Pretty good condition here. Not bad, not bad.
I thought I made myself clear, but I guess you didn't hear. Now stop texting every second, I just wanna disappear. Like a fly up in my ear, you don't ever wanna stop. Yeah, you have me kicking. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now. And it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to
No, thank you. No.
There's a big bear with the cubs.
He's struggling to get up.
That's cool, guys. We got a deer in the golf course. That's awesome. Lots of wildlife. Amazingly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at it go. Oh, that's cool. It just jumped up. Wow.
Oh, you gotta share that video, okay, son?
For sure, Jay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, you guys ready?
Is it cold?
Yeah, there they are. Hi, girls!
Hi.
Oh, that's a smaller one. That's why you guys are...
Not the work, Dad.
It's all right. You guys can practice and learn.
You gotta share that video, son, okay?
Sure, Jay. Bon voyage.
Oh, I should have taken their... I have a camera.
Oh yeah, the GoPro.
No, it's not GoPro, it's... I think just Olympus. I should have brought it.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Liana, you guys move up. Move up. Keep going.
I still got one on me.
There you go.
The one that was journaled here.
Guys, paddle to the dock.
I was gonna say don't go too far.
Don't go too far, okay? Just stay around here.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Who did you even need to talk? Are you wasting
catch you on the video.
declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause
I'll send it to you, you can edit it.
I'm looking for space. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. All of the pain, all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now. And it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me?
Oh, I get that.
What happened to me? I made myself clear, but I guess you didn't hear. Now stop texting every second, I just wanna disappear. Like a fly up in my ear, you don't ever wanna stop. Yeah, you have me kicking rocks, just leave me alone for once. Just leave me alone, I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Look at my space. I'm healing from all of the pain. All of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now. And